You are going to do these 9 things after sexual intercourse. You know, it will prevent you from infections and other uncertainties. I don't want to say sexually transmitted infections because the best way to prevent sexually transmitted infections is to either abstain, use a condom, or seeking medical advice and treatment as early as possible. The information on this platform is not biased, it has been researched. If you are new to this platform, my name is Hamad. I am an undergraduate pharmacist who is in my final year for now. And on this platform, we give information regarding your health, your lifestyle, and beauty. If you feel like this is the information you need, subscribe, like our videos, and share them to the friends you care for. Do this number 1 thing after sexual intercourse. Number 1, check the protector. Why do we check the protector? Because anything can happen. The protector might have leaked, and when it leaks, boom, you know what will happen. If you didn't want to get pregnant, there is a high chance that you may get pregnant if you are unsafe. You check out on You Unsafe Days in one of our videos. Then you can also get infections if the protector just, so you should also take note of that. Number 2, wash your genitals. Do you know why? Because very many things happen. Fluids mix. You are always, you don't know. So to keep yourself clean, you wash your genitals so that if you had any bruises and all that, you can easily not see them. When you wash yourself and you had bruises and the water goes there, you can always feel that there is something wrong, so that you can take action where necessary. Number 3, you go and pee, urinate, because when you have intercourse, fluids also intermix, and if there is any bacteria, they might have gone through your urethra. But before they reach your bladder and up to your kidneys, I urge that after you do what you have done, you urinate so that you can flush them out, so that you cannot get any related infections. Number 4, you can take some juice that has antibacterial properties. For example, cranberry juice. Cranberry juice has been researched about, and they have seen some antibacterial properties in it, and they have been and it has been proven, or it has been, I don't want to use the word proven, but it has been said that it can also prevent sexually transmitted infections. Number 5, check yourself if there is any bleeding. I once received a call from a couple, and they had intercourse, and in the process there was bleeding. So they called me, and I gave them advice, and I directed them to a doctor. When they reached there, they did some tests, and they found out that the lady was actually pregnant. And in the process, they didn't damage, but they affected the womb, like they affected the cervix a little bit, which caused bleeding. Fortunately, they didn't lose the baby, but you see how risky it can be. Therefore, take note of that. Also check for pain, because pain can be among the things that can show you that either someone has hit your cervix hard or you have been bruised severely. So you can always check for pain so that you can do what is necessary. Then the other thing which you can do is don't use wipes. These wipes I see ladies always buy. Yeah, instead of using wipes, you wash. Don't use wipes, because if someone, I have told you the importance of washing. If someone was not clean enough, for example, some men take some time without showering. That's true. So you might find someone, and maybe even some women, you know. So if you were with that person and they had not showered, for example, there is a high chance that they will transmit their dirt and bacteria to you. And in the long run, if you just wipe, you are not taking away the bacteria. You are actually just trying to make sure that you smell good in actual sense. So I advise that you don't use wipes. So another thing you can do is, yeah, you can take a shower, you can drink some water, because you use a lot of energy and you always lose your sweat and all that. So I recommend that you can take some water, you shower to put off that sweat and put off that dirt and all that. So take note of that. The information is just medical advice, it's not treatment. And if you realize that something has gone wrong, if you realize that someone you were with was infected with any disease, for example HIV, if you realize later, don't hesitate, don't cry, don't hide, run to the hospital. Medicines are there that can help you live years and years. That is true. And the other thing is that when you feel like there is any change with you, for example, if you feel itches down, if you feel pain, if you feel pain during urination, check out with your doctor. So I hope this information has been helpful to you. If this information is the kind of information you need, please subscribe, like the video, and share it to the people you care for. Thank you.